Hello and welcome to our new video on our channel MedEasy. Today we will talk about animal bite. In animal bite, we will talk about category of animal bite, treatment of each category, which ARV dose, in which category we require only vaccine, and in which category we will require RIG, means Rabies Immunoglobulin. We will see all things in detail and very easily you can remember for life. Let's start the video. We will talk about category of animal bite. There is a three category. In category 1, there is a only leaking and skin is intact. There is a no blood is coming out from skin. Then you just need to wash the part which leaked by animal, give a tetanus injection according to criteria, and then we will have to give ARV vaccine. Now category 2, there is a abrasion by, in category 2, there is a abrasion by animal but there is a no sign of any bleeding. Then we have to wash this part, give TT injection and ARV vaccine. In category 3, laceration is present with bleeding. Then we have to wash the part, give TT ARV, we have to give rabies immunoglobulin. How to give rabies immunoglobulin and ARV doses we will discuss in this video. So let's discuss about it. Post-prophylactic ARV. Post-prophylactic ARV is given after the animal bite. There is a two-way, intramuscular and intradermal. In intramuscular, there is a 5 visit needed, means 5 dose of ARV is needed. Given on day 1, day 3, day 7, day 14 and day 28. In intradermal dose, there is only 4 visit needed and it is given on day 0, day 3, day 7 and day 28. If in category 3 we have to give rabies immunoglobulin and dose of rabies immunoglobulin is 20 international unit per kg, and immunoglobulin should go into lacerated area and spread into the whole lacerated area skin. Pre-exposure prophylactic. People who have a pet animal take a pre-exposure prophylactic. It has a 4 dose, 0, 7, 21 and 28. And re-exposure prophylactic means people who have taken a pre-exposure prophylactic again exposed by animal bite, so then they have to take only 2 doses on 0 and 3 day. If you like the video, subscribe our channel. You can join our Telegram channel. Link is given in description. We will give all medical related documents there. Thank you so much for watching.